Hello guys, my name is Keyshawn, and in today's video we are doing CompTIA's 2.1.7 lab install USB devices. So it's first try, and let's get started. So it says, as an IT help desk technician, your task with setting up a testing station to evaluate a variety of peripheral and devices. The goal is to ensure that all devices are connected using the appropriate USB cables, providing a reliable environment for testing and troubleshooting. Alrighty. Easy enough. We're just plugging things in, it seems like. Use the items in inventory to complete the following tasks. Place the USB hub on the workbench and connect it to the computer. Cool. So, peripherals, I would assume. Here it is. USB hub. Place the USB hub on the workbench and connect it to the computer. Can I put it here? Yeah. Let's zoom in a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and flip it over. What port is that? It's one of the USB. I think that one is this one, the mini. The 5-pin mini. Yeah, this side. And then plug it into the computer. Go to plug in the type A right here. Connect the following devices to the USB hub, the printers and the scanners. Zoom out a little bit. And let's flip this over as well. Alright, well here is the printers and scanners. Let me turn them all around. And this is the scanner. So it looks like they all use, I forgot what cable that one was called, but they all use the weird cable. This one, type B cable, that's what it's called. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that the other end into the hub. And we're just gonna do the same thing for the rest of these. Oh, whoops. This one, wrong cable, this one. Type B. And the USB type A into the hub. And lastly, where's the last AB? Here it is. USB B, USB A into the hub. All right. Place the portable USB hard drive on the workbench and connect it to the computer. So an external hard drive. Easy enough. Storage, boom. Let's go ahead and flip it over. And this uses a, looks like a mini as well. And let's get the other end into the computer. Cool, and I think that's everything. Place portable to the computer. All right, let's see how we did. Scored the lab. Easy enough. Yeah, I mean, so that's pretty easy. Again, if you've ever set up a computer or really just kind of understand the cables, it's really just plugging in the right cables. Even if you don't understand the cables to the extent of like transfer speeds and whatnot, really just plug in the correct shapes, I would say. But yes, you would understand what each cable does and the transfer speeds, just so you can get the best, like I guess, efficiency whenever you are setting up these workstations. So, but yeah, that's the end of the labs. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, please leave comments in the description. Or, I'm sorry, please leave a comment down below. And yeah, my name is Keyshawn. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day.